they should be, okay, what we can do and what we can't do. So the examiner is going to be very happy with that. Show one up, another up, and another up. This is called cat up. Okay. If you show like this is also wrong. Can we show the electronic configuration like down, cat down? Yes, of course we can show it. Cat down 1, cat down 2, cat down 3. This is called KET down. Okay? You have any question? Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Let us move once again. Now, can we, if we have more than 3 electrons, what's going to happen to those ones? Now, having more than 3 electrons, we are going to show them. This will be the 4th electron. 4th electron should be shown in this way. If you are showing the 4th electron, 3 electrons are up, okay, and you are showing the 4th one also up, then you are wrong. No. Right? So we have an up and down and down and up. What is this showing actually? The up and the down. The up and the down is showing spin of the electrons. So if I am showing one electron to be up, this shows the clockwise spin. And if I am showing one down, this shows, this one is actually, this is the clockwise spin, okay, and this one is showing the anti-clock, right? If this electron is generating plus charge, this electron will generate negative charge. If this electron is generating north, this will generate south. So then there will be a force of attraction between these two. Okay? Only then they can live together. Otherwise, how comes it's possible that 2 electrons with a negative charge are living together? Are we clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And as I told you earlier, for copper and chromium, the electronic configuration is half-fill rule, which is applicable there, okay, which is 4s1 and okay. Secondly, you can be asked about the electronic configuration of the ions also. For example, Fe, iron. What are the number of electrons in iron? What is the atomic number of iron? Can someone tell me please? 26. Now how to configure this? It is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. How many are left? Count. 2 plus 2 plus 6, 10, 12, 18, 20, and 6 electrons are left. So 3d6. This is the configuration of iron. Now the examiner is not going to stop you here. He will ask you, configure iron 2 plus. So what will be the configuration for iron 2 plus? when you're doing the configuration of the ions, keep that in your mind. You always have to go towards 4s because 4 is the last one. So you have to start with 4s to eliminate the electron. So I'm eliminating 2 electrons because it's 2 plus. So if you eliminate 2 electrons, what is left with you? The configuration for Fe2 plus is now 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 3d6. Are we clear with this?
Yes, sir.
This is the configuration of iron 2 plus. If I'm moving towards, now keep this in your mind, iron 2 plus is having 3d6, having 6 electrons in it, right? We are going to compare iron 2 plus with iron 3 plus. Keep that in your mind. This is an exam question, very, very important question. The question is, which one is more stable, iron 2 plus or iron 3 plus? Prove on the basis of electronic configuration. So I'm doing that. So my configuration for iron 2 plus is ending up with 3d6. Now let us see what will be the configuration for iron 3 plus. Now 3 plus. I'm moving towards 3 plus and let us see what is the configuration for it. How many electrons should I eliminate? 2 electrons from 4s and 1 electron from here. So how many of total I have eliminated? 3. 4s is gone, but 3d is now 5. So the configuration for iron 2 plus is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 3d5. Right? Clear
Yes,
with
sir.
this? Now, let's come towards the question. The question was, which configuration is more stable? The 3d5 or the 3d6? Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus. This one ends up with 3d6 and this one ends up with 3d5. Which one is more stable?
Sir, Fe3 plus.
Fe3 plus is more stable as compared to Fe2 plus, and what's the reason for it?
Sir, a half-filled orbital.
This is half-filled orbital, which is more stable. That's why when you keep a substance which is having Fe2 plus, yani copper 2 sulfate, iron 2 sulfate, I'm keeping it open in a beaker. After some time it is converted into iron 3 plus. The color for iron 2 plus is blue, green, let me pick green. And the color for iron, it is brown, iron 3 plus. So this will move from green to brown naturally. Now if someone is asking you why iron 2 plus solution is turning to iron 3 plus, the reason for that is because iron 3 plus is having more stable configuration than iron 2 plus. That's why it is moving towards iron 3 plus. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Is this clear to everyone? If you have any question, you can ask right now.